Through the LHC Decarbonisation and Retrofit framework, Aston Group were awarded a direct contract by Enfield Council to install solar PV across 4 schools, helping to create a brighter, cleaner future for the next generation. Our solar team moved fast, completing all installations during school holidays. In total, we installed 290 solar panels, generating clean, renewable energy and cutting carbon emissions year after year. By using more of the school's roof space, we're not just increasing clean energy generation, we're creating an invaluable educational resource. Special workshops and hands-on learning will empower students to understand renewable energy, sustainability, and the technology shaping their future.